We know that man-made land of plots are being created in Dubai. Tokyo has mastered this technology a long time ago. Japan seems to us too distant and closed. The monorail was opened on November the 1st in 1995. At this time, computers had just begun to appear in my country, in Ukraine, and only a few people know about such a breakthrough. The construction plans for the system was originally based on data from the Great Kanto earthquake. This terrible disaster shook Japan and provided vital lessons for the future. After the Great Kobe earthquake in July 1995, the system was strengthened to prevent the bridge from collapsing. To withstand an earthquake of the same strength, they have implemented deep support foundations and ground stabilization mechanisms. Many countries don't even think about such technologies because they have more stable ground under their feet. From safety standards and train traffic instructions, it's indicated that train stops at the nearest station when the wind speed exceeds 25 meters per second, that is 90 kilometers per hour. It's so dangerous to continue moving at this wind speed. The train remains in place until the wind dies down. If a train stops between stations, then an announcement is automatically issued to the Central Command Center, which indicates the place of the train stop, train number, type and details of the malfunction. It seems to me that the system is working stably. It's surprising that despite natural disasters that can destroy Japanese cities in a matter of hours, local authorities are taking steps to create supernova and expensive projects. So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel. Japan is really fantastic. Bye bye.